Welcome to DaVinci Resolve Basics, where I show you basic skills in DaVinci Resolve that you need to know. If this works, consider subscribing, and yeah, so this is going to be how to cut. So all you do is find where you want to cut the video from and start. So I want to cut my video from here, so since it's at the start, I'm just going to leave that like that, and then I'm going to find where I would want it to end, just here. Then I'm going to press B and then click on the little red thing and then press A, then click on the clip I want to delete, press delete, and that's how you delete it. And say I want to delete this end bit, but I don't want to delete all of it, I want to delete this bit to here, so I just press B and open that and press A, delete. There you go. So thank you for watching. This is DaVinci Resolve Basics, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.